Right, we're going to use the GDC to find some measures of central tendency, the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So first of all, we want to enter the data, and the example I'm using here is the number of faulty products returned to an electrical goods store over a 21-day period. So I need to enter my list, so I go to Stat, press Edit. Now if you've already got something in here and you want to clear it, you need to put your cursor up to the top of that list, press Clear, and then scroll back down and it'll clear. And then you can enter in your new set of data, which I'll do now. 3, 4, 4, 9, 8, 8, 6, 4, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 9, 8, 6, 3, 7, 1. Now if I go back to Stat here and I go across to this here, Calc, and it gives me these options, and I want one variable, statistics, and I need to tell it which list. Now I'll just clear that, so I'll show you how to tell it which list. So if you look at the number 1 here, I'll just move this up a bit. See this number 1 at the top, it's a little blue thing that says L1. So I need to press that blue 1, and now you'll see it's flashing list 1. And maybe you need a different list, that's how you would change it. Scroll down to Calculate, press Enter, and it gives me all the descriptive statistics for this particular set of data. Now this top one here, this X with the bar on it, that's the mean. This one here, sum of X, it's added up all of the values for me. Here, n is equal to 21. I've entered 21 terms. Now this is flashing, which means I can scroll down to find some more information here, such as the minimum term here is 1, first quartile. Here's the median. And here's the maximum, so the range is just going to be between here and between 1 and 9. That's your range. Now you'll notice that there was no mode there. So here's one way to do the mode. I can resort the list so I can see it clearer. So I go back to Stat, to this menu, and here I'm going to go for Sort Ascending. You see this Sort A and Sort D. A is for ascending, D is for descending. So I'm going to go to Sort Ascending. Press Enter, and it's asking me which list do I want to sort. So again, I've got to press blue 1. Blue 1. So it says list 1 there. See, it's flashing. Press Enter, and it tells me it's done. So let's go back and look at that list. And you'll notice this is all now in order, ascending order. So I can scroll through and see which number I can see easier, which numbers have been repeated the most. And here it's the 3. That's the mode. Okay. Okay, so going back to the calculation, this was the way to see everything all at once, all the data all at once, the mean and the mode, sorry, the mean and the median and the range. Now another way to do that, sort of a shortcut way, if you don't need everything, say you just want one value, the quicker way to do that would be to go to Second Stat, as in List, and get this menu, and then go across to Math. And now you've got all these options here, the minimum, the maximum, the mean, the median, sum. So let's have a look at the mean again. So I enter 3, and it's saying mean of what? I want the mean of list 1, so I'm going to go blue 1, list 1, press Enter, and it immediately gives me the mean there. So if I only wanted that. Obviously, if you want lots of things all at once, it's better to go to this calculated list here, where it does everything in one screen. But if you just wanted one particular measure, I'll just do that again. Go to Second Stat, which is List. Go across to math, and then choose whichever thing it is you want. Say you want the median this time. I'm going to press 4. I'm going to tell it list 1, blue 1, enter, and there you see the median is 5. So there you've got 2 different ways of finding out that information.